Hi everyone, it's Kay. Today, as you read by the title of the video, I'm getting a new laptop. Thank you. I appreciate y'all so much. Unfortunately, my MacBook Pro 2015 edition has seen the last of its days. Basically, the battery in my computer needed service like in February, and I've been kind of procrastinating it because I don't have Apple Care, so I don't really have a whole lot of help to fix it in terms of getting it paid. But I decided now that I finally have my big boy money, even though I'm gonna be dirt broke, I'm gonna take you guys through the process of getting the MacBook, getting it set up, unboxing it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay watching because I would love to be monetized because I'm really gonna need the money after I pay for this MacBook. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a computer. We did it! Everything is completely set up now. Oh my gosh. Yeah.